main message I want to get out of that is the value of having a bit of economic vision. And so one of the reasons I particularly have taken this next step to try and create a bit of a rural economy centre of excellence within North Queensland is we bring a lot greater economic collaboration into North Queensland because these skills just don't generally exist in this. So the universities, other parts of the system don't have a lot of good economic foundations. We normally just go away and drag economic skills up rather than having good, strong economic skills here.
Looking at some of the fundamental best tips, best ways of applying or addressing a grant, some of the common mistakes we've seen, rather than going into any one particular grant. I've got a few examples in there from some existing ones, but they're really...
I'm on the board for the Queensland, well, in any other state it would be called Landcare Queensland, but unfortunately someone took that name, so we went a little bit innovative and called it Queensland Water and Land Carers, which we believe is actually a more appropriate name and a more embracing name because it is about the volunteers out there on the ground doing good work. So.